Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another episode of Keigo Moriyama Photography. And today we are here to celebrate the Filmtober winner with a special case for 120 film. So what can you find in the box? Again, I opened here this one for you, but I will use my personal case in order to don't open directly the one that I'm going to send. So there is of course the case itself, and you will find a pouch where you can put the case inside, and you will find a band that will help you to keep the case closed, even if one of the special things of this case is this one. As you can see, when we open, these 4 magnets will help to keep the case closed. It's smart, right? And this bamboo finished, and it's real bamboo one, and you can put till 5 120 film inside. Open and put inside the case. You close. You can put band that is not necessary, as I showed you before, but just in case. And then you simply put inside the pouch and bring it with you. Okay, this really small video is just to congratulate again with the winner of a Filmtober edition 2018, Chris Rasbridge at Carl Arsb in the Twitter, as I said below. And again, Chris, congratulations, and I'm going to send you the 120 film case, Wood 1. And if you are interested in this case, please write a comment below and try to contact me directly, because new 120 cases are on their way to my house after the new production that I made, and soon the 135 will be available as well. And I hope you will really like this case. That is definitely higher quality than the plastic one that nowadays are on the market. And that's all for me. Until next time, as usual, stay click. Bye.